Satellites support climate monitoring, communications, and research.
Look at this reading on the internal structure here.
Yes, I see the volumetric flow. Adjust the gain and let's get a closer look at that stress point.
Rerunning the diagnostic on the turbopump assembly.
Looks nominal. Confirmed pass.
The vertical alignment is holding steady at 99.8%.
Cross-referencing the sensor data now.
Looks good, we are within tolerance.
Stage 1 systems verified and green.
Copy that. Proceeding with interstage prep.
Pressure steady at 90%.
Deflection near the LOX tank seam. Localized redline breach.
Acknowledge. Continue ramp to 100%.
Firing Circuit 1 continuity confirmed.
Verified and logged. Passing the inspection mirror.
Test sequence complete. All indicators green.
Data confirms structural integrity maintained.
The automated sequence performed flawlessly. X-ray shows full penetration.
Confirmed. The integrity is sound. Payload secure. Initiate clamp sequence.
Clamps engaged. We have green status across the board.
Clear the area. We are proceeding with the stacking sequence.
Copy that. All green on this side.
clear on the left side.
Copy that. Moving 2 centimeters starboard.
Alignment holding steady.
Monitor hydraulics on separation clamps.
Reading green across the board. System readiness confirmed.
Avionics online, lights are green across the board.
Confirmed. Telemetry looks solid, guidance systems active.
Look at the throughput on the payload.
Solid green across the board. The test is a success.
We have reached staging point. Check gimbal limits.
Gimbal angles are within tolerance. Thrust vector is good. Initiate gimbal sequence alpha. Confirm full extension.
Sequence alpha initiated. Extension confirmed. Locking hydraulics. We have liftoff. T plus 60 seconds and counting.
Confirmed. Trajectory holding steady.
Main engine cutoff successful. Orbit achieved.
We have a spike in the auxiliary power readings here.
Adjusting the parameters now, the flow rate stabilizes.
Looks good. All systems clear for launch.
Check the pressure on the secondary hydraulic line. It seems low.
Reading 4,500 psi. Steady.
We're showing a fluctuation on the downlink. Run the stabilization protocol. Confirmed. All parameters are solid green.
The gimbal limits look good on engine 3.
Confirmed. We are green to proceed with the ignition sequence in T-minus 60 seconds.
Check the pressure transducer line here. See the yellow tag?
Got it. Looks good. Data matches the run profile.
Propulsion. Report on engine integrity.
Static fire data nominal. Flight.
We are go for launch.
All stations, weather radar confirms safe launch conditions. Wind steady at 5 knots. We are green across the board.
This is the launch director. We are go for propellant pressurization. All stations, confirm green status for liftoff.
Confirmed orbit insert.
All right, team. Let's event the system.
Scan on joint 7 reads nominal.
Data confirms structural integrity.
Propulsion systems, green.
Guidance and navigation, fully calibrated.
Reflight certification confirmed. Systems go for launch.
We have a minor deviation on trajectory Alpha. Reroute command sequence immediately. Confirm lock on auxiliary.
The gimbal assembly on the new prototype looks promising.
Yes, but we need to run further thermal stress tests on the nozzle design.
We are clear for the next sequence. Roger that.
Proceeding with the crane maneuver. The ascent data streams are fully stabilized. Commencing final archive protocol.
These vibration readings are too high for the forward section.
We can refine the internal bracing design here. The margin is optimized. Monitor the auxiliary manifold pressure, stage 2. We have a brief fluctuation.
Adjusting the flow regulator now. Pressure is stabilizing, all green.
Timeline alignment successful. We are green across the board. Verify telemetry lock, all stations.
Our constellation provides seamless, high-speed connectivity across the globe, linking continents with the power of space.
Satellites support climate monitoring, communications, and research.
This is launch control. The countdown clock is now live at T-minus 10 minutes. All systems report green.